Video communication is easily, by all statistics, the premier web content of any business or organization, and it will be the fastest way to move potential customers through your sales funnel. There is nothing more effective than engaging your audience on a verbal and sensational level, which words alone will never do like video. Our service will help you pull clients in efficiently and maintain their loyalty. People browsing your content will be 4 times more likely to watch video, stay 2 times longer on your sites with videos, process visual information 60,000 times faster, be 3 times more likely to share a video, and will be 144% more likely to buy something after watching a video. Videos demand attention, and without attention, there are no search engine rankings, no social media shares, and of course, less sales. Because video can be used at any stage of customer engagement, this medium is a powerful way to ensure profit. Picture how many words someone can read in a minute versus all of the exciting images or enticing people they can take in for the same 60 seconds, and you'll understand why video content is important. It is time that you explored how this visual medium can be molded to elevate your business. Learn more about how video services can have a positive impact. Contact us at 412-767-4945 or simply hit the free expert consultation button.